What is up, Domains TV? Welcome back to another new video. Today I started my video around 1 in the afternoon. I didn't start out in the morning how I always do. But today I'm gonna go fish in some lake. It's close by. I got some new lures on Amazon. I'm gonna test them out. To be honest, I don't even know how to fish, but I'm gonna try. Please, if anybody wanna teach me how to fish, please comment on the bottom and tell me you're gonna teach me, cause like I wanna know. I wanna learn. It's so nice out here, to be honest. Hopefully I get some fishes though, cause I don't really know how to fish. But hey, you know, you could teach yourself. Let's go. Let's get to it. Let's go fish now. I was at my house and I was so bored. I looked out of the window and I noticed there was so much sun. I noticed that the sun was so bright, so I was like, nope, I'm not gonna stay in here much longer. Decided to go outside, and it was the best choice I ever did. Look. You have not gone outside? I don't know what you are doing. You should go outside and get that fresh air, that nice sun. Look at this. What a beautiful, nice day out here. I like it because there's no service around here. Nothing. There's nobody out here. I was thinking about buying some land over here in the Luz too. Over here on this side. 3 hours and I haven't gotten nothing. I feel like one bite. That's about it. I feel like one bite, that was about it. Can't get anything. I don't know what kind of, if I'm fishing right or what. Hopefully someone could teach me how to fish one day. This was perfect. I like this one. I'm about to be here for 5 hours and still nothing. I'm getting burned though. I could feel my face getting a little burned. It's all good. It's all good. Your body needs sun. You guys should go outside too and get some sun. It's good for you. Oh yeah, but yeah, I didn't get nothing, dude. What the heck? I'm so sad right now. Nah, dude, I feel bad, dude. I didn't get nothing. What? I don't know if I'm using the right bait, or I don't know if I don't have fish overall or everything, or what. I don't know what to do. I'm still gonna keep doing it because I like fishing. I'd rather be fishing than being at home doing nothing, just on the phone, you know? Being on the phone is too much for your eyes and for your mind, so like, nah. I'd rather be out here enjoying, looking at the nature, smelling fresh air, look at the birds. Even though if I don't get anything, at the end of the day, I still did something instead of being in the house. You know, you guys should do that too. Quarantine is good, but at the same time, we need the sun. We need sun, fresh air, and everything so we could get a strong immune system. Standing for like 5 hours, so I'm like, I have to sit down right now. I'm gonna sit down like for like 15 minutes, and I'm gonna go back to fishing. I already like put like 5 lures, different lures to see what's up, and nothing. I just suck at fishing. I suck, dude. Please help me, guys. Whoever likes fishing, please comment down below and hit me up. Please comment down below and I'll hit you up. We could go fishing sometime. I like fishing in the sea. I like fishing lakes, ponds, rivers, stuff, anything. Comment. And please hit the like and subscribe button because I do videos every day. You know? I'm gonna be in my house. You know? Why would I be locked up? Decided to go home already, call it a day. I didn't get no fishes, which is sad, but it's all good as long as I wasn't inside, you know. Please subscribe, please give a like for more videos. You guys want to see something cool or what? Okay, all right. Ooh, look, I'm in the hills. See, everywhere I go, there's a little adventure. I try something new. You know? I don't like being inside, like wasting my life, you know, wasting my time, you know. I like traveling. I like doing stuff that I don't really do. I like trying new things. And that was beautiful right there. So make sure to subscribe and give a like, because I got more stuff coming, you know. Sorry, I'm driving. You guys shouldn't do this. You guys should be careful when you guys drive. Don't do this. I'm just doing this because like I got time. What the heck happened to him? He got lost. Hopefully he makes it home, because where I'm at, there's no signal. There's no signal. You could get lost out here if you don't know your roads, then you could get lost over here. There's no service. It's like in the middle of nowhere. You know, it's all in the mountains. Yeah, but yeah, look at this. Nothing but nature. Daily vlogging is pretty hard. I've been waking up early around like 7 every day now, just to upload and edit the rest of the video, or like, you know. Now I know what they mean when they're like, oh, put hard work into this. But you know, it's all good though. I like doing it because like I like showing new stuff that I do, you know. I like it. I like recording it for me for the future or something, you know. This is my video diary. Come on. But yeah, please subscribe though, because like Woo. Yeah, but make sure to subscribe because like doing that makes a big difference for me, you know?